Hello guys, myself Hanadi. Today I'm going to explain you about Unix, basic lab exercise 1. So here are the basic questions which they have given, and the first question is list the contents of user's home directory including the hidden files. So for that, first what I'm going to do is just giving the command ls. So it will display the files which we have already used. If we want to display the hidden files, then we have to type it as ls-ar-l, so it will display the hidden files. So, and the second question is list the content of var directory. So for the var directory, just give the command as ls/var. And the third question is create two directories named dir1 and dir2. So for that, give the commands as mkdir dir1 and mkdir dir2, and create a hidden directory with your name. So for that, mkdir dot and our name. So dot will display the hidden directory and change into directory dir1. So for that, cd dir1. And the seventh question is copy the file etc password file to current directory with sample.txt as the file name. So for that, cp space etc/password space sample.txt. So this is the command. And the seventh question is change it to your home directory using pwd command to check you are in a home directory. So for that, just give the command as cd and pwd. And the eighth question is create a file test1.txt using vim editor with the following contents to it. So for that, here touch test1.txt. So it will create a file named test1.txt, and for using vim editor, vi test1.txt. So in order to give any contents in the file, so we can type it as cat space greater than symbol test1.txt. And here they display the student names who are having a research interest as grid computing. So for this, grep grid computing test1.txt. So this is the command to display the student names who are having research interest as grid computing, and display the contents of the file test1.txt without any blank lines. So for the ninth one, cat, give the command as cat space -s space test1.txt. So it will display the contents of the file without any blank lines. And the 10th question is move the file sample.txt from directory 1 to directory 2. So 10th question is for that, one second, move space dir1 / sample.txt dir2. So here we are moving the sample.txt file from dir1 directory to directory 1 to directory 2. And 11th question is change directory into directory 2. So for this, cd space directory 2. Check whether the sample file whether the file sample.txt is present there. So for this, we can type it as ls. So it will display the file whether it is in the history or not. And rename the file sample.txt, like new test two new text and check whether sample.txt is there or not. So for this again, we can give the command as move test1.txt space new.txt. So it will rename the sample file to new.txt. So for that again you can check whether it is there or not with the help of ls command. Display the calendar of December 2020. So for this give the command as cal 12 2020. Remove the directory dir1. So for this remove or dir1. This is the command for the 15th question. And 16th question is display the last 3 lines of file test1.txt. So for displaying the last 3 lines of file test1.txt, we can give the command as tail space -n space 3 space new.txt. In order to display the last 3 lines, so here we are giving the number as 3. We can give it as 2 or 1 or anything else. Display all the commands you have executed so far and save the list into a file named today's history.txt. So for this you are giving for displaying all the commands which we are used, so type it as this history for that, and space greater than today's history.txt is the file which we are saving all the commands into this today's history.txt. So how many files are present under your home directory? For that we can give the command as ls space -l. So it will display all the files and also the hidden files which are under the home directory. So this is the end of exercise number 1, which are the basic commands. So thank you.